So they put a sergeant with me, and every time he and I were always together, Sergeant McTaggart. Well, this went on until they had the Potsdam Conference. Well, then they had, I don't know how many days there, but we were guarding the back end of the Harry Truman's home. Well, when conference was over with, why they had Stalin out on the back porch, and Harry Truman and Attlee. Attlee was one from Britain at that time. Churchill. I always wondered, well, what was wrong with Churchill and why they voted him out? Well, and I didn't have any trouble. The only trouble I saw that was during the Potsdam Conference was there were people that were agitators. They wanted you to join the Americans to take care of Russia. And when you think about that and you say, well, when I'm standing back there, go down there every morning behind Harry Truman's and raise the flag in the morning. They had the lake there, and all those, Davies's home was next to Truman's, and one of my friends was always parked in between those, checking people, and I was on behind that, and Sergeant McTaggart and I was raising the flag in the morning, and when they come out there on the porch after all the conference was over with, why, it might have been, if I had any bad notions, it had been a time right there you could take Stalin out if you wanted to start a third war.
Wow, wow.
But there wasn't any thought anybody
Yeah,
thinking,
yeah.
but